here I have a beautiful pot here, and I'm gonna do a container gardening, and I'm gonna make sure that I have thrillers, spillers, and fillers. We're gonna start with thrillers. Jamie, my spiky plants.
You've got your spiky plants.
Spiky plants. Yay.
One of my favorites.
Yes. So, I don't know the actual name of this spiky plant.
Spike.
Spike.
It's a spike.
Thanks.
Justina, if you want to get technical.
Oh, Justina Spike. You see, this is why I brought these gentlemen with me. Okay, so I love this, and most people will only want to put one, but that's not me. I want to put two, you know, because I want it to be really showy. So I put them next to each other, and I always put them in the center. So those are the thrillers. Thrillers, you can see from far away. It brings their eye up. Beautiful. The next thing we want to put in is a filler. Lots of fillers. So we're going to bring color into the plant. Now I really thought this out because on my street, it's the way to get to the parades in the summer. So I always do a red, white, and blue container. So here is and I have my tag, and I know this is a full sun plant. And so I bought plenty of them, and I'm going to put them in as fillers. So they go right next to the spike all the way around. And I did red, white, and blue full sun. Got a couple more. This is how I do it at home too. I just throw things on the ground. The container has all sorts of different plants in it. You know, like you could do all the same plant and it's beautiful. And most hanging baskets are one plant and they're gorgeous. But look at how spectacular this looks. I'm not even, I'm about halfway done. But you see red, white, and blue and different plants. Gives it a really pleasant look. So we have a thriller and we have fillers. So all around the edge, now I want to do spillers. So, number one favorite spiller of all time for Wendy is Creeping Jenny. We sell this every year. You know our plants are local. We buy these from local farms. Yeah, you looked in the garden.
Yes, I did. That's right.
Yes. So
You better know where they come from.
it's super important because if you think of it, if you're buying a plant at a garden center and it comes from southern states, it's used to southern weather. And if you buy a plant from Stu Leonard's, you're getting it from the tri-state area, and so this plant grown in the tri-state area is used to our crazy temperatures. So, I mean, I had my heat on yesterday, and today I need my AC, so spills over the side. I'm gonna put Vinca in here too because Vinca is a great spiller. Thrillers are tall, spillers go over the edge, and fillers are all the beauty and the color in the middle. So thrillers, spillers, and fillers, great suggestion, great result. I just want to mention one more thing about our thrillers, spillers, and fillers. I don't know why, but it's a fact that if you use an odd number of plants in a garden bed, in a container, you will have a much more, in a barrel, the barrels are spectacular, odd number of colors, odd number of plants, you will have a much more pleasant result. So I have an odd number of plants here in my very beautiful container. Good luck.